Hi friends, my child is watching TV all the day long. He is using phone whenever I see him. Using phones, using laptops, all the gadgets is a big concern for all the parents these days. It is actually a big problem for all the parents because children are not listening to them. They don't want to study, they don't want to eat or sleep on time. They are having no friends, they don't want to talk any of the family members. No playing time, no exercise. They just want the gadgets. They're lying in the bed, not doing anything, just want to enjoy with the phone, with the TV. So it is a big problem with the parents and they are not able to find the solutions for this problem. Today I have some suggestions and ideas which can be used to get rid of this problem. I would start with some points which can work for you. Few ideas to solve the problem when the child is in the habit of watching TV for the long time. The first important idea is using the timetable. Timetable is required by the child wherein the parent will mention very clearly that for how much time the child is going to watch TV or using other gadgets like laptop and tabs. By this point, the child will also understand the importance of time. So particular number of hours must be given by the parent to watch TV and using other gadgets. Like for small children it can be half an hour and for the bigger children it can be up to 1 hour only. Other than this, if they are doing their projects or their homeworks, that is a different situation. But we really need to make a proper rule for the child which will be strictly followed by the parents and the children so that they understand that why it is important. Now the child may disagree with you, with your decision. He may not be happy with you what you are saying. Why are you making the timetable? So it is very, very important here that if the child is asking for more time to watch TV or using the gadgets, just say no to him very strictly because you need to be very firm with this decision. Now, once rules are made, timetable is made for the child, he will not like it. Maybe he will disagree with you, he will throw tantrums, he would be angry. So what to do? Keep telling him. Deal with the situation in a positive manner. How to do this? Just execute all the things in a proper way by giving the reasons to the child. That why have you done this? Why have you made a timetable for the child? By saying this, that eyes are being affected, homework is pending, and maybe the friends are calling him, you need to talk to them. The family is asking for you, you need to sit with them. Deal the situation very calmly and in a positive manner, and you are the parent of the child, so you need to guide in the right way. Now the next point I want to mention here is replace or give some other options instead of gadgets. Like you can go out for the cycling along with your child, arrange some classes like swimming, music or some other game. Enjoy with him, you can take him out sometime. New books and games can be arranged. Call the friends of the child and they can enjoy together. I know the time will be difficult, the situation will be difficult, but it is our child. We need to handle him very carefully, very nicely and in the positive way. Now on this point, I would say keep away the children from the gadgets when they are young. Be very strict on this. Prevent them from using the gadgets when they are very small. Otherwise, it will be very hard and difficult as they will grow up. They will not leave the gadgets. The problem will be same like we were discussing earlier. Then again, we need to take a lot of steps. We need to work so much hard so that the child leave the habit of watching the TV for the long hours. So when the child is young, we should not let that develop this habit. How this habit develops actually, the main and very casual reasons are there. आज मार्केट जाना है शॉपिंग करने के लिए, थोड़ी देर टीवी देखने बिठा देते हैं, आराम से शॉपिंग कर लेंगे. आज गेस्ट ने आना है, आज पार्टी करनी है, तो अपना स्पेस चाहिए, थोड़ी देर टीवी देख लेगा, थोड़ी देर फ़ोन पे गेम खेल लेगा. So these kind of things actually lead the child towards all this. So we need to stop it at the right time. Few points now which should be avoided by the parents when they are dealing with the children. The first important point is we must not shout back to the children when they are not in the good mood or they are trying to argue with you. Don't shout, don't yell. If both the parent and the child will shout and they will fight, there will be no output. The result will be zero. Don't think that the child will understand everything at his own. कब बनेगा ये responsible अपने आप? You can't think like that. And one point I'm adding here, that don't be very lenient with the child. Some parents just allow the child whatever he is doing, let him do. Whenever he will grow up, he will learn at his own. No, the children will grow that habit only, which is actually not correct. So being very lenient is also not correct, and being very strict is also not the right point. A balance must be maintained. I hope the ideas shared in this video will work for you. Thank you and have a happy time with your child.